After months of local testing, Holden's talented engineering team is now putting the finishing touches to the next-generation Commodore, giving it the distinctive ride and handling attributes expected of the Commodore nameplate. Following Holden's most recent local test trip through the Victorian Alps, during which the engineering team surpassed the cumulative 100,000 kilometers traveled mark, lead dynamics engineer Rob Trubiani said the cars were feeling even better by the day. We've been collaborating with our colleagues in GM Europe to make sure we've been able to apply all of the lessons we've learnt in developing Commodores over the last 30 years, said Trubiani.